Hello, thanks for watching this video. This topic is LEED OM B5 IP C1 Credit 1. Its name is Operational Planning and Response for Resilience. It was 2 points. It's intended to help you to face the hazard situations and emergencies. And it requests you to prepare an emergency response plan to address the most impactful hazards that you have identified in prerequisite 1. Its name is Operations Assessment, Climate Action, Quality of Life, and Ecological Conservation and Restoration. For this emergency response plan, you should include emergency preparedness training for people, interdepartmental communication during emergencies, pedestrian and vehicle traffic control during emergencies, of course, address special needs for vulnerable populations. I'm kind of lost. Okay, I'll just randomly pick up one direction. Okay. And next is protection and restoration of critical facilities and systems. This one is backup power for command centers and essential systems. Then you have to communicate this emergency response plan to your tenants, including the points of contact for each procedure and protocol. Okay, this is a short credit. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.